Let's find sum with a criteria. Use sum x with filter. Sum aggregates the values. Filter summarize for given criteria. And earlier evaluates each row of specified column. Say we want to calculate total sales by country. Select the country table and add new column from the column tools option. In calculate function, expression refers to the formula we want to apply. Write the formula to calculate sum of sales value from table of annual sales to aggregate all sales. So mention in sum x from table of annual sales and column as gross sales column. Now, use filter as part of calculate function and mention source as table of annual sales as it has the sales transactions with country name in that table. Now, use earlier function to evaluate country by each rows mentioned in the table of country. As a result, we have total sales by country calculated from another table. This data can be plotted in the visuals for insightful analysis. Now, practice your skills to find sum of any value field with one or more criteria in Power BI. Happy learning!